So, welcome back to another video. I'm doing a tutorial, and this is just part 1. I'll be showing you how to make this game. Now, some of the stuff I haven't done, I haven't finished yet. Wait a second, what? That's odd. I thought, what? Sorry, one moment. Sorry, I forgot something, but, these are the ones that we'll be using. To start off, what we need to do is we'll go into scene, but just so you know, I am doing it on MakeCode Arcade. If you don't really have something with it, don't worry, there's other stuff. So you can create what you want as the scene for it, and that will be your tile map. Place that right there. Then go into, stay in scene, but you can't actually do that. Drag out the set background color block, place it there. You can do whatever color you want, but that's just useful for that one block right there. But it'll be pretty useful for a lot of stuff. But after we're done that, we want to create our main character. So go into sprites, drag a set my sprite to sprite of kind player block into it. Then, change it to whatever you want. After it, either add this one, or this one, but you have to add all three. I will put them like that. And for what I'm going to do about this, you have your starting thing, but now it's time to move on a bit. And the way that you change it is you add the button blocks. So, what you need to do, go into controller, sorry, I added something. And you grab on a button pressed. Then you change it, you have to grab 4 of them. Then you change them all. Then you change them to right, up, left, and down. And for the right button pressed, grab a change my sprite X by 0. It's in here. And change the 0 to 16. Then for the left one, either duplicate that one or just drag another one out and do change my sprite X to negative 16. Then you repeat the process, but the X is Y. And you do that like that. And, one moment. Now it's time to add button combinations. These are the code blocks that you'll need for it. So, the button combination one, you kind of have an issue. Where is it? Here it is. It is a extension, but once you get it, you can add it. And the typing in B or A for it would be the A or B buttons. U is up, D is down, left is left, L is left, R is right. And so after you've grabbed that out, because it'll be in controller like we just saw a bit earlier. You can skip over this part if you don't really want to do it, but go into logic, grab an if true then block, which we have right here, then go into here. This part's going to get fun. Grab a ask for number from game, and you can set it to ask for number code, and the max length, well, you can change that, but you do have to press the plus button to change it. And you may be wondering, how do we put it there? You grab one of these. You find it in logic, just right there, just right below it. You put that in it. You put that in the first one. Then I'm just going to type in that. And then, like, that's the first bit done. But if you want to go even more hard, you can add a second one of that. But you might want to change it. So for this one, I'll just change it like that. And then, to top it off, go into game, grab a game over win block, maybe change it to lose if you want. That would just be strange. But there you go. You have, well, this. That is a start. Let's see our game so far. Okay, it's nice. And for my button combination, okay, this is easy. I'll hit OK. Then for the next one, and well, that's what you have for that. And there are advanced I have. I don't really use them for this, but I'll use them a bit later into it. But now for the next part. Now, what I'm doing for enemies is kind of a bit confusing. 'Cause the reason why I have these set blocks to this and set blocks to that, well, let's just go up here and grab the big guy. Game update every 200 milliseconds. What we want to do is, well, you can, if you are doing a second tile map, you drag in this if true then. Then you would go into variables, hit make a variable, and that would be what your enemy spawning thing is. The spawner thing would go here. But the reason why you want to add that thing for 2 tile maps is, well, because that means that if you have a second tile map, it's just like a place that you can go and check out stuff. Like, it's a map of the world. You might want to set the spawner thing to false, because, well, then you wouldn't have enemies trying to attack you when you're trying to just peacefully do stuff. So snap the if true then block, snap the spawner in, then snap in a set my sprite to sprite of kind enemy. I made it Godzilla. What? But that's, you kind of want to do that. And, well, for the setting spawner thing, you would slap it down here. Just slap it down there. And then you would do place my sprite 4 on top of random thing. But we won't have time to finish this off today, and that's what mine currently looks like. So catch you in the next video. Bye!